Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through the process of streaming on Kick using OBS Studio. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have OBS Studio up and running. If you haven't downloaded OBS Studio yet, find the download link in the video description. Once you've launched OBS, head to the bottom right corner and click on Settings to open a relevant menu. Our initial step is to check the video settings to ensure high-quality streaming on Kick. Set your base canvas and output scale to 1920 x 1080 and adjust the FPS to 60. Next, navigate to the Stream tab. Here, choose Custom in the Service section, where you'll enter your server and stream key details. To obtain these, visit kick.com, link in the description. Click on your profile picture, go to Settings, and then find Stream Key. Copy the stream URL and paste it in OBS under Server. Then, return to Kick, copy the stream key, and paste it into OBS. Remember, keep your stream key confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. After entering these details in OBS, click OK. Now, you're ready to stream directly to Kick. Going back to the settings, under the Stream tab, you'll see that starting a live stream will now broadcast on Kick. But before you go live, let's optimize your stream settings to avoid any lags. Under Output and then Streaming, choose Advanced Mode. The key setting here is the CBR bitrate. Ideally set it to a minimum of 6,000 or 7,750 for optimal quality. Ensure your upload speed is 12 Mbps or more to handle this bitrate. Set keyframe intervals to 2, profile to high, and choose the appropriate encoder for the best quality. To test, start streaming in OBS. If it shows connecting and then stop streaming, you're live. Check your Kick dashboard to confirm everything is smooth and lag-free. Now that you're set up with Kick and OBS Studio, avoid a bland stream appearance. Watch the next video where I guide you through setting up overlays in OBS, making your Kick stream look professional. See you in the next tutorial.